In a world that demands cleaner, smarter, and safer, energy innovations is not just a choice, it's necessity. Our solar panel package is designed to power remote energy facilities, offering sustainable solutions with maximum efficiency. Clean energy where it's needed most. In critical moments, every second counts. Our automated shutdown valve technology ensures operational safety, preventing disasters before they happen. Individually powerful, together transformative. These innovations represent unified mission, empowering the future of energy responsibly.